Okay, welcome back everybody. We're going to do an unboxing of some diamond paintings. Let's get right to it. We'll just cut this outer layer off with our X-Acto knife and see what we've got inside here. Oh yes, we are unboxing Diamondxpres. That's us, that's our company, this is our box. And this should be a fun unboxing. I want to keep this box intact. We'll cut this a little bit more. Okay, right there. And right down the side. Violating one of my golden rules, which is always put the knife blade back on top, the safety tip on. Okay. Here we go. Unboxing Diamondxpres. And there's the box, a beautiful box. It's based out of Hawaii. It's got the flower. Okay. And all right, let's see what we have inside of our box. I believe there are several diamond paintings. Here's a tool kit. A set of diamonds, another tool kit, and another set of diamonds. I think there's 3 in here. This is going to be awesome. Yep. And here are the canvases. Oh, how exciting. There's 4. How exciting. Okay. No, there's 3. Right? Yeah, 3. Okay, 3 canvases and 3 sets of diamonds. Let's go through, we'll put the box over here to the side. Okay, and let's go through a toolkit real quick to see what comes with each diamond painting. Small tray, a pen, tweezers, wax, a pen grip, and some multi-placers. So we got the 10 and the 5 in there. And we've got some extra baggies. And we've got a big piece of wax. Okay, oh, and there's the 3. There's the 3. So 3, 7, and 10. And the tray, and that's 3 kits. The 3 diamond paintings. Okay, we're going to put these off to the side. Great. Let's put the canvases off to the side for just a second. And let's concentrate on each diamond painting. So I did a beach theme with this one. The first one is a sea turtle right there. Beautiful. And the next one is a beach scene. Okay, they're all 30 by 40s. And the last one is another beach scene. So let's open up one set of diamonds, and we won't do all 3 in this video. We'll just do 1. Oh my God, look at these colors. Look at these colors. Oh, I can't wait to do this one. Okay. Here we go. Wrap. Carefully. Now open up and take out the inventory sheet first. And there's the picture of 30 by 40, 30 colors. These are the symbols. This is important. They do numbers 1 through 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then they do alphabet down to V. And they do have an O and a Q, so we're gonna have to see what that brings us. They're slightly different colors, but Let's see what happens with that. And here's all the diamonds. They're not in numerical order, but I'm just going to show you a baggie full and show you what they look like. Let's see if I can get a good focus on this. That's a really good focus. Show you these diamond beads. They look really, really nice. Okay. So the first one is Eternity. And here's our thumbnail right there. And I'm going to let you guys see the diamonds. See the symbols in there? That's beautiful symbols. That's really nice. Very easy to read. I'm trying to make sure we're focused. There we go. Canvas is felt on the back. There's no bubbles, no wrinkles. And these symbols are nice and clear. Right there, look at those symbols. I'm going to show you on the diamond painting itself how clear they all are. It just looks really, really good. I love this diamond painting. This is going to be so much fun to do. Let's look at the other two. Again, here's our design. Let's look at our symbols on this one. Very clear, very easy to read. Okay. Again, it has 30 colors, and we don't have any awkward symbols. Very, very nice. I really like that. Again, the back is perfect. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. Look at this one. Again, take a look at these symbols. Beautiful. Beautiful symbols. Look at how pretty that looks. Look at that confetti right there. That's going to be fun to do. That's going to be really fun. And of course, the back looks really good as well there. So here we have Sea Turtle. It's not Sea Turtle. I forget the name of it. I should know all the names of these things. But here they all are right here. All looking really great. I can't believe these designs. The diamond colors are just amazing. Look at this one. Look at that. Is that just amazing? That is amazing. So 3 diamond paintings, 3 great canvases, and awesome clear symbols, bright colors, and these look really, really good. And just good diamond paintings. Definitely a lot of thumbs up on them. And hopefully you like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you'd like to see next on our videos, and we'll make them for you. Thank you very much.